Here's Daniel's 24-hour forecast.
Well, it's 80 degrees in Lafayette right now, 81 even as you start getting out over into parts of Iberia Parish. Really warm, really muggy out there. Anyone who's been outside notices just how much more humidity there is out there right now as compared to where it was just 24 hours ago. This is setting the stage for what could end up being a pretty stormy weekend that's going to get started maybe late tonight. I think most of that is going to be out over through East Texas, extreme West Louisiana. But we're going to be on the lookout for a couple strong thunderstorms getting into tomorrow. This is your severe storm risk for Saturday. This is marginal risk. And what this means is that we may end up with a couple isolated bouts of some severe weather. Damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, hail, all in the mix. I think the corridor for this activity, again, is mostly going to be East Texas and then out through Vernon and Beauregard parishes, and then northern parts of Acadiana. However, these storms kind of drift in and out. They don't follow necessarily strict boundaries. So we'll all be on the lookout for these storms as we go through the day tomorrow. We start to see a more active forecast by the time we get into Sunday, and that's what we're going to get into greater detail in my full weather forecast coming up in just a little bit. You've got your 24-hour forecast here. Again, the total rain chances for tomorrow, it's going to sit at about 40-50%. But when you break it down hour by hour, the showers, the storms are going to be so chaotic and sporadic that figuring out exactly where and when, kind of a fool's errand. And we're going to get into all this. We'll run through all the models and talk about Sunday's forecast as well. That's my full weather forecast here in just a bit.